Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Dito po tayo sa Municipality of Quezon, Province of Bukidnon. Ganito po kaganda ang Mindanao. Napakalawak na area. If you look at a little bit mountainous, no, but valley, at itong area na ito, they produce what we call this, coconut, saging, bananas, corn, rice, of course, sugar. Ganito po, napakaganda ng Pilipinas. Very nice. But I think dinaanan ng init kasi. Kaya medyo may init. So, makikita mo, mountainous area. Lahat ito may power na yan eh. May electricity. Ayun. Then, to. Yun yung road. Tingnan mo daw yung road. Yun, no? Parang nasa Baguio, ano? Yan. Other side is North Cotabato side, Central Mindanao. The other one is Lanao. And the right side, of course, after Lanao, you will go to Cagayan de Oro areas. Then Zamboanga Peninsula. So, ganito po, kaganda ang Mindanao. Akyat po tayo dito sa taas. A very nice place. Morning.
Good morning po.
Ayun. Wow. Ganda. Yun. So, ito. Kanina doon kami sa baba kumain. Ayun, yun. So, ito, Mindanao. Ganda. So, paikot, no? Tirahin natin ito. Yan. Yan. This is, the other side is Cotabato. Cotabato, that side is, ito po, kaganda ang Pilipinas. Malawak. Ang kailangan lang natin dito yung agri-production process, agribusiness. Meron tayong lupa. But I think what is needed is the capital ng mga farmers. During the time of Duterte, merong problem of rebellion. Yung mga NPA. And this area ay isa ito sa mga central, no? Sentro talaga ito ng Mindanao New People's Army. But nung panahon ni Duterte ay talagang bakbakan dito. Then eventually ay nagkaroon ng peace and order. So if you have peace and order, you can provide roads, no? So, may mga kalsada, merong power, kuryente. So, then we have this communication, no? Makita mo ito, signal na ito. This might be one of the tower ng cellphone. So, if you can communicate the production, from production to the market, ang kailangan lang naman natin dito is marketing. But I think pinaka-crucial yung capital. Peace and order, okay na. Road, okay na. Power, okay na. I think another basic needs agribusiness is technology, research and development. But ang nagkakaroon ng research and development, yung mga malalaking corporation, no, na nasa Mindanao. Pineapple, ayun, kompleto yan sila na research. Bananas, no? Mga banana plantation. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga multinational. But I think, ang dapat palakasin dito yung nasa middle class. Yung mga farmers that own 5 to 10 or 15 hectares of land. Kasi yung multinational, hundreds of hectares yung hinahawakan nila eh. Then, kinakarga nila sa barko yung mga saging, yung mga pineapple, dinadala sa ibang bansa. But, yung problema natin ay yung middle class, yung nasa gitna, ordinary farmers. Because we cannot afford to be, parati na lang tayong empleyado. May lupa naman tayo. So, what they need is the support and packaging and marketing. So, yun po yung process ng agribusiness. And ito, may mga produkto tayo. But again, this should be properly packaged. Nagpila ko sa aniday. Ganda o, ha? 35 pesos, no? Dire na ginahimo ninyo. Yun. This one. Kahoy, no? Ito, made of trees. Quezon, Bukidnon. So, ganda. Yeah. Then, pila eh. Peanut. Peanut candy. So, but again, kulang ng production. Packaging and production. Quality. Then, kunan mo daw itong picture. Kung saan ni Day? Pili. Magnet na eh. 35. Ito made of plastic. Ito is banana. So if you look at it, walang pangalan. No names. So dapat meron yan. Made of rice. Then, made of abaka. So, kailangan lang dito sa mga produkto na ito is quality, packaging, and marketing, and support. But again, hindi mo pwede i-rely ang market dito lang. Walang kikitain dito. Because again, the problem is, of course, employment generation, and capacity to buy. Kasi, kung wala ka nga naman trabaho, anong ibibili mo kung wala kang salary, wala kang kita? So, magiging stagnant yung mga produkto na yon. Walang kikitain. So, if you look at it, ito, ayan, corn. So, pag prinosis mo yung corn, dadalhin yan doon sa processing plant. But if you notice here, halos walang mga processing plant. So, if you have the products, you have the raw materials, dapat meron kang, we should graduate into production. Pwede din dito, Bukidnon is one of the area na napakaganda sa animal dispersals. So, ito yung mga kailangan dito. But again, assuming meron kang baboy dyan, meron kang hogs, you have to bring down to the port, which is Davao and Cagayan de Oro. But I think, during the time of President Duterte, ay naglagay na sila ng airport dito. So you can just imagine, napakaganda ng valley. Yan, paikot yan. Saka malamig dito. It's very nice for agriculture. Yan. So, in summary, you have the land, you have the power, you have the peace and order, but ang kulang dito is capital. In Japan, number 1 yung cooperativism. Co-op. Merong sa Japan kasi, very few lang yung area nila sa plain. Karamihan, bundok, mountainous area. But dito, makita mo, napakaganda ng Pilipinas. It's combined of valley, mountainous, no? And we have a lot of waters. Nandito yung Marina Cristina Falls. So if you can have a production, you have the facilities, and the next would be marketing. Then you go into export, palabas, because yung produkto dito will multiply into 55 pesos in terms of dollars. No? European, almost the same. Europe, America, magdidiferensya lang kaunti yung value ng peso to US and European market. And of course, Japan. So, mura ang production dito at mahal pag pinadala mo sa ibang bansa. So, the cost of production is low, mababa, pero mataas yung presyo sa ibang bansa, maraming kikitain ng farmers. So, therefore, the policy of government should support dito sa agribusiness process na binabanggit ko. Cow dispersal, you can convert it into yung gatas nun, yung baka can be converted into milk. Then, goat can be converted into meat, padala sa ibang bansa. Very sellable yan sa Middle East, yung mga kambing. Kasi hindi naman sila kumakain talaga ng pigs or hogs. So, mura yun dun. Dito naman sa somewhere in India, Asian, kinitake care nila yung baka at saka karabaw. So, the potential here is maganda sa Pilipinas. Tulong-tulong lang. But again, all this economic policy will emanate from the national government and local policy. Sino yung gumagawa noon? Yun. Mga game changer yon. Ito yung mga politiko. So, as a politician, yon, marami na yan. Papasok may mga negosyante dyan, may mga miners, merong mga malalaking lupain. Sila may control ng ilan sa banking system, even education. So, yung perception na lang ang pinaka-importante, yung paradigm shift from profit to public service. And the philosophy of governance na sana lahat ay yumaman din. Hindi lang yung mayaman ay lalong yayaman because of political power. You have already economic power plus political power. Walang-wala. May iwanan itong nasa baba. So very important na pag bumuto tayo ng mga politician are those who are in love in our, what we call this, sa mga naghihirap. Leaders that does not, adore or hindi din Diyos yung pera, but leaders who love public service for all, regardless of political affiliation and political color. Yon. Hindi kay kalaban sa politika, hindi kasali doon sa IX, sa tupad. It should be inclusive. Lahat kasali. And in democracy, minority is respected. Ginagalang yung very few. But majority prevails. So, yon. So, hanggang sa muli, this is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Very nice place. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. At saka yung aking mga binanggit ay sana ay magiging converted into realities in terms of policy, action, and results. When we say results, of course, parang nagtatanim ka ng kahoy, hindi just by just planting, but dapat palakihin. So, ganun po. Hanggat sa muli, this is Councilor Danny Dayang Hirang from Municipality of Quezon. Congratulations to the local government units of Bukidnon, province of Bukidnon, boundary of Central Mindanao in the left side. You have autonomous region. And if you cross the sea, that is Zamboanga Peninsula. Hanggat sa muli, maraming salamat po and magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much.
Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayang Hirang is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.